Today is August 15th. This is the 1967 original vintage Cadillac DeVille engine, 429 cubic inch. This is the engine for my friend Trent Alexander. And this will be going down to Florida as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. The unit has been completely disassembled and rebored 40 thousandths over. The crank has been ground 10 thousandths under. And everything internal in terms of all of the rotating components have been completely replaced, including the cam. And of course the crank has been reground as previously stated. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970 for all Cadillacs. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheel, steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and the complete rebuilding of the 429, 472, and 500 cubic inch engines. Today is Monday, August 15th. Thank you very kindly.